Morning, students. So today we will discuss about an important topic in organic chemistry, that is classification of organic reactions. We will discuss about different types of organic reactions. So let's start. At first we will take the example of addition reaction. So what is addition reaction? So there are two compounds here present. One is alkene. This is known as alkene. Why this is called alkene? Because in this compound double bond is present. So this is an example of an alkene, and this is another substrate. So what is the mechanism of addition reaction? In this mechanism, in this reaction process, the X part will add to one carbon, and the Y part will add to another carbon. So what will be the main product after the reaction? Let's see. So after the reaction, the alkene is converted to alkane. At first it was an alkene, now it is an alkane. So it is an example of addition reaction. It is a general mechanism. So we will discuss one by one through by giving examples. So I am giving one example. You also practice at home. If there are different examples, at first I will take an example of ethylene. So what is the formula of ethylene? CH2 double bond CH2. The formula of ethylene is CH2 double bond CH2. And another substrate we are taking, this is HBr, hydrogen bromide. So what will be the product after the reaction? After the reaction, the product will be CH3 CH2 Br. Why? Because in hydrogen bromide there are two parts. It is an ionic compound. There are two parts. One hydrogen will add to one in left carbon, and another bromide will attack the another carbon. In this way, CH3 CH2Br will produce. Its name is ethyl bromide. So it is an example of an addition reaction. What is the main essence of addition reaction? In addition reaction, the whole compound, the whole component is adding to the substrate in the ethylene, and so there is no elimination, no substitution, nothing. A simple addition. Simple, the compound is adding here. So this is known as addition reaction. So one by one we will discuss all the aspects, all the different types of mechanism, all the different types of classification of organic reaction. So this is an example of one reaction. I am giving an example of another reaction so that it will be easier for you to understand. So students, I am taking an example of an aldehyde. So what is an aldehyde? I am writing in the board. So it is an aldehyde. You can see in the board there is a C double bond O and another is H. So it is an aldehyde. What is the name of this aldehyde? It is an acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So we are taking acetaldehyde and taking HCN. So what will be the product? After the reaction, the product will be CH3COHCN single bond H. So here the hydrogen is adding, the cyanide is also adding, and we are getting this product. So in this case, this is also example of an addition reaction, and in this case carbon has delta positive charge and oxygen has delta negative charge. And in hydrogen cyanide, in case of hydrogen cyanide, cyanide is negatively charged and hydrogen is positively charged. So the cyanide, it is a nucleophile cyanide, it will attack the carbon center. When the cyanide molecule attacks the carbon center, the double bond will go to oxygen. It will be negatively charged, and thus the negatively charged oxygen will attack the hydrogen, and after the reaction we will get this product. This is also an example of an addition reaction. After this we will read about the elimination